Hi everyone, this is Agnesa from Sediment, and today we're going to talk about a few dessert wine styles everyone should know. Where I come from, it is cool to hate sweet wines. Maybe it is because there are so many bad examples that are just sweetened alcoholic beverages. I'm not a fan of desserts myself, however, I love a good glass of sweet wine at the end of the meal, and there are a few styles worth mentioning. However, I will be excluding fortified wines because that is a story for another day. Most of the time, good quality dessert wines will acquire their sweetness naturally. One option is delaying harvest and picking grapes later in season when they have acquired higher natural sugar content. However, winemaker needs to be sure of the autumn weather. Auslese and Spätlese Prädikat wines from Germany, Vendange Tardif from Alsace in France are few great examples of these wines. Harvesting grapes and leaving them to dry in well-ventilated rooms is another option. This way, water evaporates and sugar concentrates, so winemaker can make beautiful sweet wines that will smell of dried fruits. Recioto and Passito sweet wines from Italy are the most common examples of sweet wines made from dried grapes. Only few wine-growing regions are capable of producing ice wine. For ice wine to be made, the grapes are harvested during the winter at night when the temperature drops below zero. When these frozen grapes are pressed, water is removed in form of ice crystals. That way, the juice obtained is highly concentrated elixir. Canada and Germany are the two wine-growing regions highly associated with production of ice wines. Last but not least are the luscious sweet wines made from botrytized grapes. Botrytis is a form of fungus that in damp conditions can lead to grape rot. However, when those conditions are right, with misty and foggy mornings and sunny, dry afternoons, this fungus does miracles. It concentrates all the sugars and alters the aromatics of the grape. Therefore, the wine will smell of beeswax, saffron, and sweetened chamomile tea. The greatest examples of these fine wines will outlive myself. Sauternes from Bordeaux, Trockenbeeren Auslese from Germany, Tokaj in Hungary, and Ausbruch from Austria are only few great examples of sweet wines made from botrytized grapes. Due to the sweet wine in popularity, this is also the best time to invest in dessert wines. The amount of work that is invested in the sweet wine production is huge. However, the prices are still very affordable. Cheers! Oh, the acidity.